What's up, guys? Trying out a new little format here. Had the headgear on, trying to see what that sort of footage looks like. Disregard this if you don't see any footage, because that means the camera angle was off or it just didn't work out. But either way, we are in town now. I'm trying out a different gym, switching my membership here, potentially, and drinking my new Ghost products, creatine and BCAAs. Gonna try that stuff out, and anyways, we're gonna get a good workout in, and then we're gonna go back to the house and check out the new transmission parts that came in. Stick around for that. Alright, what is up, guys? We are here inside my room now. We're gonna check out the kit. It just came in, so give me just 1 second to set all this stuff up, and I'll show you guys. Alright guys, I am super excited about this. As you know, if you've been watching this channel since the beginning, we've been making videos off and on for 2 years now. I have been building this car since 2014 as well, way before the channel. This has always been one of the things I wanted to do from the get-go. I knew from the get-go when I got this car that I wanted to do the Turbo 2JZ swap, and I wanted to do a manual swap. I just didn't know, what form that would take. But this is what we got. CD009 swap. This is the billet flywheel, billet transmission cross member brace, and then here's the adapter plate itself. So this thing looks awesome. Check that shit out right there, guys. That's that bling right there. Then we got this. This is for the transmission into the IS300. That's the actual brace. The bushing itself is right over here, but it has like oil on it, so I'm not gonna try and pick it up right now. Check this out, guys. This is the flywheel. I believe this is our pilot bearing bushing thing. This is the flywheel. I believe it's gonna sit like this on the motor, I believe. But check that out, guys. Super nice looking parts. Love the way this stuff looks. And then we also have an assortment of stuff. I believe this is the input shaft seal, OEM Nissan input shaft seal. Bag of bolts. I believe these are flywheel bolts. And this is the hardware to get the adapter plate actually mounted to the face of the transmission after you cut it, because this is the cut adapter. So what happens is we cut the bell housing off of the CD009 at a certain spot, and then we bolt this boy up, and then our Toyota bell housing will bolt to this thing, and it bolts to the 2JZ. My clutch will be in tomorrow. So the downside to this is when I got my kit, they forgot some of my parts. So my kit came with the T56 slave cylinder, because the CD009s have a concentric slave cylinder, or a CSC, and they're made of plastic, known to be absolutely garbage and break just under regular driving conditions. We don't want that, so we got the T56 slave on the way. It was supposed to come with this, and then the clutch line kit that'll run to the IS300 master cylinder. So all that stuff is on the way. Now what we don't have is we don't have the drive shaft, and we don't have the pedal kit. We're gonna have to buy those separate at a later date, but early next week we should have everything we need for actually getting the transmission with the clutch installed in the car. So we have a few things we need to do before then. So what do we need to do now? All that's left really to do is actually to prep the actual transmission. So this weekend we are going to take my CD009 to my buddy Scotty, which also, if you've been watching this channel, you'll know who Scotty is. He's the one that's always done all the fab work for the IS300, and generally just helped me get the motor swap in the car running. So anyways, we're taking the transmission to him, and we're gonna get him to cut my bell housing, so that way we can come back here and install this kit. So to do that, we're going to have to take the passenger seat out of my FRS, and we're going to use the FRS like a truck to carry it down there. Because when I bought the transmission, when I bought my CD009, I actually put it in the trunk and just laid the seat down and it fit, but it spilled some transmission fluid because it didn't sit in there right, and I had to throw away the little mat that covers the trunk. So we're not going to do that. We're going to take the actual seat out. It's just 4 bolts and then a couple of airbag cables and whatnot. And we're going to take the seat out and then just drop the transmission there into the floorboard. So that is going to be it for this video, guys. I hope you guys are super excited as I am, because I'm extremely pumped. And also 2 videos in 1 week. Look at us go. I'm super pumped about doing this swap, guys. So stick around for more videos. Keep watching these next few weeks, guys, because this transmission is going to be in the car within the next 2 weeks. Probably the next 2 videos, probably 2 or 3 videos. We'll have this thing actually in the car and set up and everything like that. So then all we need is the supporting things to get the car running with the swap. But other than that, super excited. Stick around for more, guys. And if you're just now checking into the channel, so hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, guys, because it helps a lot more than you think it does. And comment, man. Let me know how you guys feel about this swap. And other than that, guys, I hope you all have a wonderful day, wonderful evening, and happy Christmas, man. Merry Christmas. Happy Christmas. Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas. Happy holidays, guys. Peace.